My lord, it's the first bail application under section 439 of CRPC, my lord. Offense registered under section 409, 420.
क्या करते हैं आप?
My lord, he is the agriculture and the politician, my lord. He was the then.
आप फार्मर हैं?
ये फार्मर भी हैं, एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट भी हैं, पॉलिटिशियन भी हैं. He was the then president of भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसान मोर्चा and the sarpanch of the Manwara Kala, my lord. That is district Sagar, my lord. And he is already been. He is already.
On my complaint, their FIR was registered. I filed 482 without implementing the respondent, my lord.
ये तो bail
It's a bail application, my lord.
Now, my lord, bail application has also been filed, my lord. Along with that, my lord, it has been late. What I am praying, my lord, I actually got an information only in the morning, my lord, to appearance in this. I'm just seeking, my lord, 3 days time to file my wakalatnama and my objection, my lord. Because I am the complainant, my lord. He has he's a history sheeter, my lord.
No, my lord.
8 to 9 cases registered.
My lord.
I even objected.
My lord, total 9 cases, my lord. He was the sarpanch, my lord, on that day.
उसमें cheating और public money का भी है.
Public money, my lord, 2 cases were registered.
May I make my submission?
National.
जी.
One case, my lord, the implement amount is 1 crore 31 lakh. On that case, my
lord, you
lord,
want to argue your case on merits?
On merits, my lord, and my lord, I have made each and I have suppressed nothing, my lord. I have
merit में क्या है आपका case?
Merit, my lord, for as far as this case, my lord, there is no allegation sustained against me, my lord. Kindly see the FIR first, my lord. FIR is
आपके against में evidence क्या है इतना बताइए?
Evidence इनकी एक जांच report है. They have only जांच report, my lord. That I have taken the benefit of the Swamipta Yojana, my lord, and I have and my relative has get the benefit of that Swamipta Yojana of the state government illegally.
आपका क्या कहना है? पुलिस का कोई investigation नहीं?
There is no investigation.
Only inquiry.
Only one-sided inquiry, my lord, and he is in jail.
One-sided inquiry means?
He is in jail, my lord. He is in since from 27/8/2023, my lord.
Yes.
In the offense, my lord, the learned government advocate has already made the details of that offences before this honorable court also, my lord. Kindly see the annexure A2, my lord. On that offences, my lord, there the application for bail is filed before the honorable court, my lord. And on the
क्या है A2 क्या है?
इनपुट ये है my lord कि जिस दिन उनके बेल के लिए कुछ पॉजिटिव ऑर्डर हुआ दूसरी कोर्ट से, वो हमने एनेक्सर A2 लगाया है. जरा देख ले my lord, एक बार पैरूस कर ले.
इनको तो हम सुन ही नहीं रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्शन.
नहीं ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं my lord. वो मेरा सबमिशन है. ये हुआ था एनेक्सर A2 16/10/23 का ऑर्डर है.
Applicants wanted to deposit 1 crore.
हाँ, as protest in that offense, my lord. On the same day, my lord.
आप क्या करते हैं?
और ये ही was दादन सरपंच, my lord. ये वहाँ का जमींदार भी है. अपने वहाँ
जमीन है आपके पास?
जमीन तो बहुत काफी जमीन है.
कितनी है आपके पास?
ये इतना इसका रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, मगर ये है वहाँ के जमींदार है. He is a very famous political personality, my lord. And because he has some enmity with the sitting minister of Madhya Pradesh government, that's why this all things have been happened again.
बताइए एविडेंस.
इसमें एक बार देख ले my lord. जिस दिन ये ऑर्डर हुआ उसी दिन ये नई FIR हो गई.
Detail inquiry, my lord. Scheme, my lord, Swamipta Yojana, that the land belongs to Abadi, my lord. In every panchayat, persons who having some small lands, having no lands, they will be allotted the particular land, my lord. On that particular village, 5 acres land of Abadi is available with the panchayat. Out of them, my lord, more than 2.52 acres he allotted for himself, his sons, his cousins, his elder brothers, and preparing the forged documents. Because scheme says, my lord, that person having no land, person who has occupied that particular land, he also took the possession of empty land, my lord. Entire Khasra Kistbandi shows his name, my lord. Kindly just the report of the Tehsildar, my lord. Apart from criminal record, each Khasra number is there, my lord. The measurement of the land, my lord. The next page, my lord. लिखा हुआ है स्वयं के नाम पर, भाई के नाम पर. टोटल 7,200 स्क्वायर फीट लैंड.
ये आपका केस है, बेल राइट तो नहीं है?
ये वहां के इनकी जमीनें हैं, फॉर द सेक इनकी जमीनें हैं, ये खुद वहां के किसान हैं, उनकी जमीनें हैं। अगर एक बार एफआईआर पढ़ लेंगे।
आपने कोई डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल किया है क्या?
डॉक्यूमेंट्स हमारे पास कहाँ से आएंगे माय लॉर्ड? अभी तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में इनकी सिर्फ तहसीलदार की रिपोर्ट पर रिलाय कर रहे हैं और ये जेल में है, और अभी तक कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट ना आगे बढ़ा ही नहीं।
आपने बोला था आप 1 करोड़ रुपए जमा करेंगे।
हाँ, इन्होंने उन्हें डिपॉजिट कर दी, उसमें जमा हो गए,
इन अदर केस में
उसमें जमा हो गए हैं पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि उस दिन पॉजिटिव ऑर्डर हुआ तो इनको लगा कि
इस केस में कितना?
नहीं,
इस केस में कुछ नहीं है। और मान लो इनका अगर एफआईआर पढ़ेंगे आप, तो एफआईआर देखिए, एफआईआर समझ में आएगा कैसी एफआईआर। मैं पढ़ देता हूँ एक बार, मेरे पास एक कॉपी आई है, मैं पढ़ देता हूँ।
There are objections, my lord, from the side of the complainant.
और
we'll submit all the documents, my lord. My lord will able to appreciate that what exactly.
नहीं, मैं
काउंसिल अपीयरिंग
मान लो यह मार्गदर्शिका है, he has no role to
आ जाने दीजिए।
play। यह मार्गदर्शिका बताती है कि सरपंच का कोई रोल नहीं है, समिति होती, ग्राम सभा होती है, अगर होगी तो एंटायर ग्राम सभा will be liable for that।
काउंसिल हियरिंग फॉर 3 days time
My lord,
to file objection.
My
There
lord.
is allowed, place the case on.
Lord, he is telling lie. The committee
No.
having the chief of the.
Let him
I am not telling lie, my lord.
Let him
It's a
file
very
objection.
bad- नहीं, it's an allegation on this, my lord.
file your reply in 482 also.
It's not.
Registry is directed to D-Link MCRC 48610 of 23 from bail application. Counsel appearing for respondent is granted, for objector is granted 1 week time to file, is granted 2 weeks time to file its wakalatnama and reply to application under section 482.
My lord.